Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a review of NYX Wonder Stick, and this is the contour stick as well as the highlights. So it gives you a highlighter and a contour. I'm also going to be reviewing the blush stick, the NYX Wonder stick for the blush, and this gives you two different color blushes. And I'm gonna start with the contour because I already did my makeup. I just did not highlight and contour, and I didn't put on my blush yet. So let's start with that. Okay, so I'm going to start with the contour stick, but before I start with the contour stick, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? If you are new around here and you watch my video, you like my content, go ahead and subscribe. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for your subscription. I greatly appreciate you guys. And thumbs up the content if you like it. So this is the color Deep, and I got Deep based on my melanated skin because I got another color before I got the Deep and it just was too light, so I had to take it back. So I wasn't able to do the video earlier because I wanted to do this video sooner. But yeah, I got the Deep, and gonna go ahead and start with that. Gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like. So I'm pretty sure that this is going to show up on my skin complexion. My mirror is right here, so I'm going to be looking at my mirror. So I did put it right where I'm supposed to put it, right just below my cheekbones, and I am going to blend it out. I'm blending it out. Upwards. So it's like, it's really easy to blend out, but I'm pretty sure I can build up on this color because, I mean, I see it, but let me see. I mean, it's there. Yeah, I'm just gonna do just a tad bit more. I don't really want to be too contour, but just a tad bit more. Blend this out. So I'm blending it out with a damp beauty blender, and I find that it's very easy to keep exactly in the position you want it to be in because it's a cream contour and it's very easy to blend out, and I like that. So I'm going to contour where my dark shadows were, but I lost it because I applied the foundation, so I'm putting back my dark shadows. And it's very easy to blend out. I really like that. It's nice and creamy, and I think that's what makes it so easy to blend out. yeah, I really do like it. So because I put a little bit more on my cheeks, I'm going to just put a tad bit more here as well. And here as well. I'm just building up the color to my liking. Alright, so I kind of pinned my hair back so you guys can see. I can actually see on camera as well. I'm looking at my viewfinder, I think that's what it's called. And I can actually see the contour, and I actually do like that. Alright, so the blush, I have light peach and baby pink. That is the shade that I got. And that's what it looks like. Yep, there it is. And then also I do have this other shade as well. Yep, there it is. But I think I'm gonna go with the light pink. So I'm gonna go with that, which is this side. I'm gonna put it right above my contour. I'm gonna blend it out. And as you could tell, you can build up on these colors, and they're very pigmented, which is good. So of course I'm going to build up on the blush as well, because I want it to be blushing, and it's not really popping the way I want it to pop. So I'm just going to do one tad bit more. There. There. All right, so I did apply the contour, and it's a very nice dark shadow that it adds back to the face, and I really like it. It's not harsh, but yet it's there, and it's kind of somewhat, to me, bronzy. It looks very natural. I actually really do like it. But one tip, it's better to blend it out with a brush like this, a very dense brush. It's kind of angled. It's best to blend it out with a brush like this, because I find that when I was blending it out with my beauty blender, it was dissolving it too much to where I wasn't really seeing it, because it's very easy to blend out because it's a stick cream like. So you want to use the brush. Same thing with the blush, and I'm going to go ahead and go in now with the highlighter. And oh, did I show you guys the color for the highlighter? This is the highlighter that comes with the contour in the shape Deep. Can you see it? There it is. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my finger, and just going to put some on my finger and run it down my nose like so and blend it out. Like that. So this also is like very natural looking. It's not too loud, and it's just, it still makes a statement. Nice and shimmery. Now for the tip of my nose, I'm gonna use my pinky finger. It's my pinky finger. And do it like that. A little bit more. All right, there it is. I think I want to blend it out a little bit more. Yeah, I actually like it a lot. And I think that's, should I put my highlighter right here as well? But I'm gonna put it on the brush. I'm not gonna put it directly onto my skin. So I'm just gonna put some on the brush, and then right above where I have my blush, yeah, that's it. That's all the highlighting I am doing. Nah, I lied. I'm gonna put some on my Cupid bow right here. My Cupid bow. That's a lot, so I'm gonna blend it out. And if you blend it out too much, like I said, it will dissolve so into your skin. So I'll put some right here on my chin, chin. Using my fingers, and that's it. No more highlighting. So yeah, I love these two products, and the two takeaway tips that you can take from this video based on my, it's just so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Based on me doing this video is, it's easy to blend into your skin. Use a dense brush for the contour and use a blush brush for the blush. Keep in mind that it's very easy to blend. And for the highlight, use your finger, or you could use a highlight brush for your, if you highlight above your cheekbones, then I would say use a highlight brush for that. But for your nose and your chin, you could just use your finger. And it's very pigmented. They're both very pigmented. As you can see the blush. I'm going to come closer. You can see the blush. You could see the contour. It adds back the dark shadows that the foundation took away. My natural dark shadows that I have. And yeah, I love it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set it. I'm going to use my Urban Decay All-Nighter to set my makeup. Yeah, actually, I'm very happy I got those two products because I do like them. And I'm gonna say it Well, my setting spray is still drying, so giving it a minute to dry. I'm gonna say go ahead and try it. NYX is very affordable, and it's an awesome product. Thank you so much for watching this video. Still drying my setting spray. It just looks so nice and dewy. I can't get over how it just makes my skin look so nice and dewy. I hope it's picking it up on camera. It's like very nice and dewy. Alright guys, so I'm going to use a lip gloss for my lip color. It's a very pigmented lip gloss. It's just very subtle, the color, but it's very nice and very feminine. Yeah, just nice and soft and dewy, so it kind of goes with my makeup look today. So makes my lips feel so nice. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and check out the other videos that I have on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and let me know what you guys want me to review, if you want me to review any products. All right, bye guys.